Ready the death ray, minion.
Death Ray, ready.
Over here, old friend. In case you haven't noticed, you've fallen right into my trap.
You can't trap justice. It's an idea, a belief.
But even the most heartfelt belief can be corroded over time.
Justice is a non-corrosive
But
metal.
metals can be melted by the heat of revenge.
It's revenge, and it's best served
But
cold.
it can easily be heated in the microwave of evil.
Well, I think your warranty's about to expire.
Maybe I got an extended warranty.
Warranties are invalid if you don't use the product for its intended purpose.
Ah, girls, you're both pretty. Can I go home now?
Of course. That is, if Metro Man can withstand full, concentrated power of the sun. Fire!
Fire?
Still warming up, sir.
Come again?
Warming up, sir.
Warming up. The sun is warming up.
1 second more and just tippy tap tip top more.
Honestly.
And we are ready in a
I'm on my way, Roxy.
I told you to be
1
ready. I told you
second.
countless times.
Why do you always blame me?
My spider bite is acting up.
Your plan is failing. Just admit it.
Yeah, good luck with that one.
Whose side are you on?
The losing side.
Thank you.
Can someone stamp my freaking kidnapping card?
You, of all people, know we discontinued that promotion. Ciao, ciao, all.
Same time next week.
Crap nuggets.
What did he just say?
Crab nuggets?
Oh. Good Lord. I'm trapped.
What kind of trickery is this?
You mad genius. Your dark gift has finally paid off.
It has?
This dome is obviously lined with copper.
Yeah. So?
Sir,
Copper drains my powers.
Your weakness is copper? You're kidding, right?
I don't think even he could survive that.
Well, let's not get our hopes up just yet.
Look!
Metro Man.
Oh, Metro Man. Metro Man! Look out!
Ew. You did it, sir.